What's going on YouTube? So today we're going to check out Wyze's WyzeCam 1080p Wi-Fi indoor camera. This is probably one of the best indoor cameras I've come across when you compare it to the quality of the actual video itself, the functionality you get with the actual iPhone app or Android app, as well as the price point. So these are $25. That includes shipping. So you can either get it on their website for $20 plus $5 shipping, or on Amazon for $25 with free shipping. And I'll link those in the description below so you can check them out yourself. This is the black camera. So this is actually their Black Friday limited edition camera that I picked up on Black Friday. They released it last year for Black Friday and I didn't get in on that, but this year I decided to get in on it. And actually they still, as of making this video, they actually still have the black camera on their website for $25. So I'm assuming they still have stock in it. They also have them at Home Depot as well, so you might want to check that out as well. This is pretty much the exact same camera as their white cameras that are $25, and the only difference is this one's black. And then we'll also check and see what's inside the box and see if there's anything. Maybe they changed the power cords black, the power charging brick black. I'm not sure. We'll check it out together. So on the side it says 1080p full HD, which actually it does have full HD, and the quality of this camera is the same quality of their white one. This one's just black, but the quality is fantastic. It does have night vision, two-way audio. It has an 8x digital zoom. It does go off motion and sound detection. And they have a free rolling 14-day cloud storage if you want. But they also have an SD card for local storage. And then they also do have their own application in the iPhone store, as well as the Google Play Store. So let's go ahead and check and see what you get in the box. So first you get their quick start guide. It's a very thin quick start guide because I'm going to tell you right now, this is probably one of the easiest security camera setups I've ever seen in my life. Wyze, good job on that. So I was actually right. So that does come with the black power brick. So that's the difference with the white one. It comes with the white one. So that's cool. And it comes with the black USB, micro USB to USB-A power charging cord. But it still comes with the stainless steel Wyze metal mounting plate. And then the 3M sticky tape. And then last but not least, the camera itself. So this is pretty cool. It's all black. What's really nice about this is it's actually matte black, so it doesn't get any fingerprints on it. So as you can see, you got the camera here, and then the infrared lights at the very top are around, and then you also have the night vision toggle. Then on the back, you have the speaker, and then you have the USB bridge. So one thing to note about the WyzeCams is if you power one camera, you can actually daisy chain another camera with USB-A to USB-A. So that way, if you have it somewhere else, you don't have to actually plug in every single camera to the wall. You can daisy chain them. And you have the power and the reset button. And then you have the actual swivel mount that it comes in. And then this is all magnetic down here. The actual mount itself is magnetic, so you can actually put it on anything metal and it'll stick. But here's the two. The white one, which is actually not matte white, it's more of a shiny white, and the black one together. As you can see, they're very identical, and they both do the same functionality. The only difference is the black one's just black, that's it, and it's a limited edition model. The white one is the same as the black one, and does everything that the black one does. So I'll also link this one in the description below, so if you want to check it out, but it is the exact same. So I want to go ahead and get the app set up, or the black one, and show you how easy it is to set that up. And it literally goes through the motions. It tells you exactly step by step what to do, and it tells you to connect to your Wi-Fi network that your phone's connected to, and then you can also connect it to the Wi-Fi, and it's pretty quick and easy setup. Now another thing I wanted to note, what I really like about Wyze, if you have multiple properties that you're trying to watch, or if you have, say, your house, and maybe your parents' house, and elderly folk, or maybe you have different locations you want to monitor, you can actually have each camera connected to a different Wi-Fi network if you wanted to. So we actually use one of these for like a baby monitor over at my in-laws house. So anytime we go to our in-laws, I just use that camera only for that. And so it literally already connects to the network there when we get there. and we plug it in, and I can still have access to look at the cameras at my house without having to go to a different app or go to do something else different. So that's nice. It's a very nice feature. I'm really glad Wyze was able to implement that, and it's something to note when you're purchasing security cameras. Now, also another thing is these are indoor security cameras only. That doesn't mean you can't put them outside. There are a lot of reports, a lot of people on Facebook group are saying that they put them outside and they last in the cold weather and the hot weather. They're not waterproof. They do make outside housings that are actually third party. I'll link those in the description as well. But it doesn't make it waterproof, but it just makes it easier or less easier for rain or snow to get into it. But if you have it underneath like an awning or something like that, I think you'll be better. You'll be all right. And for $25, let's get real here. If you want to go have one, if you want to have one outside, or multiple ones, and you have access to put it in a plug-in, I mean, if it ruins it within a year, $25 is $25. It's not that bad. So let's go ahead and get this set up and on my network through my iPhone app, and I'll go through the iPhone app a little bit, and as well as show you the quality of daytime and also nighttime vision. Even though I did the white version in a separate video, but let's go ahead and do the black one since you're here. Let's get started. So now once you get in the Wyze app, look over here and tap the three dots and then add product. And it's the WyzeCam. So now it's saying, press the button at the bottom of the actual WyzeCam app, or the WyzeCam. Also I wanted to note that that's where the SD card goes to. So it's gonna push that button.
Ready to connect.
So next. There's my wireless network. It's already got my saved password in it, which is nice. And then it wants me to scan this QR code, which I'm not going to show you because you'll be able to connect to my camera as well. But you want to face the camera to it.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
And wait for it to connect. It's going to connect to your network.
Setup completed.
And then you want to name the device. Let's do DIY Reid. Finish setup. Share a device with your friends or whatever. No, not right now. And then we'll go ahead and connect to it. And it wants me to upgrade. A little feedback there. But we'll go ahead and actually get this set up in a different setting and show you the actual quality of the video. So here's the quality of the video on the lit setting. It's probably very similar we're going to get when you actually do it outside too as well. So here is a sample of night vision. It's pitch black in my garage, so this is exactly what you're going to get. You'll get a little bit better quality when if you have lights, like outdoor lights on or something like that. This is what you would get, a pitch black area.
This is a test of the audio, of the two-way audio from my phone to the actual camera itself.
So there you have it. This is the black WyzeCam, the limited edition model from Black Friday. Like I said, if you'd like to check it out, I'll link both the white one and this one in the description. It is very limited time frame. They still have them on their website, but they'll be going fast, so they probably won't last very long. But you can also get the white ones too as well. Like I said, this is my favorite indoor security camera, mainly for the price and the quality. There are also good ones for the outdoors, but they don't recommend it. But in all reality, the quality it brings and the functionality of it, as well as the price, it's hard to pass up on these. If this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments on this, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. And I will see you next time.